In this video, you'll learn how to copy content from Notion to Google Sheets. This process involves exporting your Notion page and then importing it into Google Sheets, allowing you to manage your data more effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and type in #notion.so. Make sure you are logged into your Notion account to access your pages. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to proceed. Once you are on the Notion homepage, locate the page you wish to export. You can find your pages in the sidebar on the left. Click on the specific page to open it, ensuring you have selected the correct content to export. Next, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More menu in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. This menu allows you to access various settings and export functions. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. This action will open an export dialog box where you can configure the export settings. It's important to choose the right format for your needs. In the Export dialog, you will see an option labeled Export Format. Click on this to select the desired format for your export, such as Markdown or PDF. The selection you make here will determine how your data is structured when imported into Google Sheets. Additionally, ensure that you check the box next to include databases if your Notion page contains any database elements that you want to transfer. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data. After that, also check include content to ensure all text and media are included in the export. This option is necessary to capture the complete context of your information. Next, you should check include subpages if your selected page has any subpages that you want to include in the export. This ensures that all the related information is contained in your export file. You may also choose to check the option to create folders for subpages. This will help organize your exported files neatly into folders, making it easier to navigate once the export is complete. Once you have configured all your export settings, click on the Export button. Depending on the size of the page and your internet speed, this may take a moment. A progress bar may appear, indicating that the export is being processed. After the export is complete, a file will be downloaded to your computer. Locate this file, typically found in your Downloads folder. Ensure that the file size is manageable for your next steps and check your available storage if necessary. Now open a new tab in your web browser and go to google.com. This is where you will access Google Sheets to import your Notion data. Once on Google's homepage, look for the apps icon, often represented by a grid or dots in the upper right corner. Click on this icon to access more Google services. From the drop-down menu, select Sheets to open Google Sheets. This will take you to the Google Sheets homepage where you can create a new spreadsheet. In Google Sheets, click on the option to create a blank spreadsheet. This will open a new spreadsheet where you can import your Notion data. Next, navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner of the spreadsheet. Click on File to reveal a list of options related to file management. From the File menu, select Import. This action will allow you to bring in the data from the exported Notion file. When the import options appear, choose Upload. This will open a file selection dialog, prompting you to locate the file you exported from Notion. Click on Browse to open your File Explorer. Here you can navigate to the location where your Notion export file is saved, such as the Downloads folder. Once you find the file you want to import, click on it to select it. Then click on Open to begin the import process. After selecting the file, return to the Import dialog and confirm by clicking on Import File. This will process the uploaded file and prepare it for use in Google Sheets. Finally, click on Import Data to complete the process. Your Notion content will now be integrated into the Google Sheets spreadsheet, ready for your review and further editing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.